when these actionable alerts happen, they get analyzed, and the same thing I'm going to show you here gets sent to you via an email. So I'm going to click on this. This goes out to our AI. It's going to ask our AI to analyze the information from this alert, and you're going to see a real-time analysis. Now, this will be a little bit different than what you got in the email because this is doing it in real time. So it's asking our AI to basically reanalyze that in real time. But it'll be very, very similar. The way we prompt our AI and the way we tell it to output gives a very consistent answer, even though the words may be a little bit different. The overall analysis, root cause analysis, and recommendations are going to be almost exactly the same. Again, with just a little bit different wording because it is AI, right? So it'll tell you, what the alert was, what the analysis of that alert was, what the root cause of it was, what you should do, and then a conclusion. At the very bottom, it will give you a full log of what it is. You can escalate this to our SOC. If you subscribe to that service, you can click on a button like this. This account isn't subscribed to that, that's okay. But if it is, that would escalate that to our SOC. And you can do that here too. So there's other alerts that happen here. You can escalate these to our SOC should you have that service available to you. But you can do that for any alert you want. So if you want to know what the malware filter policy modified, that's something you definitely want to keep a look at. You can come in here. Again, it'll tell you that this fake employee, again, this is demo data, so none of this data is actually real. We're actually using AI to generate the alerts for this demo system, which is really kind of cool. But it'll tell you that this was triggered by this employee from this IP address. It'll tell you that what to do about it. The nice thing too is it actually will go out, and you can see here in this logs, it asks our threat intelligence, is any IOC it finds in those alerts, is this part of any of our threat intelligence feeds? We have massive threat intelligence feeds. We have a MSP server that we maintain that has tons of information, and it's updated continuously. So it has access to all that information. It can search there and find out from any kind of indicators it has if these are malicious at any time, and that helps it determine the severity of those alerts right there too. So very easy to use. Again, you'll get those in your email. Obviously, this alert ID you can correlate as well. So if you get something in the email, you want to know what specific alert it is in, you can look at that. These are unique to each alert that comes in, so that's why they're shown there. We will also show, so these are things, again, these are either playbooks or anomaly alerts that up in this table that are actionable that will be sent to you.